Chief of the Army Staff General Syed Asim Munir has urged the world to ensure justice and deliver what is promised to the Kashmiri people in line with the United Nations resolutions. He made these remarks during his visit to frontline troops at Rakchakri sector of the line of control on Saturday. General Syed Asim Munir sent a strong message to the Indian political and military leadership on their irresponsible remarks against Gilgit-Baltistan and Kashmir. The Army Chief said any misconception resulting into a misadventure will always be met with full might of armed forces having support of the resilient nation. All Parties Hurriyat Conference has welcomed the statement of Pakistan Army Chief General Asim Munir on Kashmir and termed it a new ray of hope for the oppressed Kashmiris. The APHC spokesman in a statement issued in Srinagar said that General Syed Asim Munir's strong and clear message to India has boosted the morale of the Kashmiri people. 17 people were injured in a road accident in Rajouri district. The incident took place when a bus, part of a marriage ceremony, turned turtle, leaving at least 17 persons injured near Tarkundi Road in the district on Monday. The injured were immediately evacuated to a nearby hospital. Dr. Farooq Abdullah was today re-elected as President of the National Conference unopposed in Srinagar. Dr. Farooq Abdullah had stepped down as the President of the party last month. Earlier, his son and party leader Umar Abdullah had refused to take the responsibility. India has been ranked 8th among countries that are at highest risk of mass killings in 2023. A United States-based study has said there is a 7.4% or approximately 1 in 14 chance of new mass killing beginning in India in 2023. The Early Warning Project, which identifies countries at the risk of mass violence, has said in its report. The report defines mass killing as a phenomenon where 1,000 or more people are killed by armed forces over a period of a year or less due to their affiliation to a particular group. Acting Chairman Jammu and Kashmir Democratic Freedom Party and convener All Parties Hurriyat Conference Mahmood Ahmad Sagar has paid rich tributes to the senior party stalwart engineer Farooq Ahmad Khan on his first death anniversary. In a statement, DFP, while highlighting the deceased leader's contributions towards the ongoing freedom struggle, said that Khan and his family had rendered great sacrifices for the liberation of the motherland from India's illegal occupation.